Hey guys, today we are at the aquarium with some of our closest homeschooling friends. And it's days like these that really show how amazing homeschooling can be. Not just for learning, but for building these lasting friendships. If you're new to my channel, I make videos to help you on your homeschooling journey. But once in a while, I'll take you along on our field trips or show you some of our interactions, because I know that there are a lot of stereotypes about homeschoolers not being social, not having friends, and being isolated and not exploring things. I think a lot of new homeschoolers have this misconception. But I wanted to share with you all the beautiful things that we have at the Tampa Aquarium. If you guys ever decide to come this way to Florida, you guys should definitely check out the aquarium. But one of the best things about homeschooling is the freedom to do things like this, the freedom to do hands-on learning during the school day whenever we want to. Instead of just reading about marine life, sitting at a desk in a book, the kids actually get to see it in action. They get to ask questions and make real-world connections. And let's be honest, it's not just the kids who benefit. Us moms, we're pretty tight too. We're all on this journey together, supporting each other, swapping ideas, and just enjoying these moments as friends. Days like today remind me that learning doesn't have to be stuck inside a classroom. It can happen anywhere, whether it's an aquarium, a park, or even a kitchen table. Homeschooling gives us the chance to explore, grow, and have fun while doing it. If you're a new homeschool mom and you are not connected yet to a group of friends, I highly encourage you to find a homeschool group, whether it's a co-op or a group that meets and has play dates, and put yourself out there and go consistently, especially if you and your kids are shy. Just keep showing up. Eventually you will make friendships and you'll have a close-knit family. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.